Hi, my name is Astrid from Boch and Gilded. Today I am at Maasmechelen village, where they asked me to create a festive and nostalgic tablescape using my selection from the Villeroy and Boch Christmas pop-up. I would like to show you how to create such a magical moment in your own dining room. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Mixing and matching patterns should not be daunting. As long as you respect your color palette, you're good to go. Think outside the box. When it comes to decorations, be creative. Be bold and beautiful, add some drama. Overload your table with candlelight and don't be thrifty on colorful florals and rich greens. Make it personal. Personalize each plate setting with a name card and add a little something that your diner might like. I hope this has inspired you, and I wish you a beautiful holiday season.